Start by removing the straps with a utility knife. Carefully cut the surrounding box tape. Remove the bike from the box and all packing materials. For demonstration purposes, we will mount the bike on a stand. Insert the seat tube into the frame and tighten the clamp. Remove the 4 bolts on the A-stem. Install the front handlebar and insert the 4 bolts to the A-stem cover. Install the brake caliper to the front fork. Install the front wheel and install the quick release axle. Next, find the foot pedal with the R symbol. This will be installed on the right crank arm. Make sure the threads of the pedal line up evenly to prevent damage. Be sure to tighten the pedal with a 15mm wrench. Find the opposing pedal marked L. Be sure to tighten this pedal counterclockwise. It has reverse threads for safety. Press and hold the M button to power on the adventure. Press up to increase the power level for the pedal assist. Press down to decrease the power level. Press and hold the up button to toggle the headlight on and off. The charging port is located just below the handlebar on the frame. Be sure to cover up the port when the bike is fully charged. We hope you enjoy your Jetson adventure.